guys, if you're looking to dive into new readings or organize your library on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add new books to the Apple Books app with ease. So let's start. There are two ways to do this. Let's go over both of them. Method 1, directly from Books app. First of all, open the Books app, then tap on Bookstore from the bottom of the screen. Next, find the book you want to read and either buy it or just get it for free if it's available for free. Method 2, downloading books from the internet. To use this method, just open your browser and go to the website. There, you can download the PDF or other eBooks. Now, once you try to download the book, the browser should open it. Just click on the share icon from here, then select books from the list, and the book should be added to your library. So guys, that's how you add new books to Apple Books on your iPhone. If the video was useful, smash that like button, and if you want more Apple related tips and tricks, just subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.